Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 11 in my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Reciprocal Gradient Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Sally Hansen White On. Then for the gradient, I'm going to be using Breezy Blue, Babe Blue, Royal Hue, Pacific Blue, Thinking of Blue, which is the only one that is a complete salon manicure rather than an extreme wear, and Deep Sea Blue. I'm going to be topping that gradient with Sonic Unicorn Skin and then adding dots on top. I added a quick dry top coat so that I don't accidentally sponge up the base color, and I also added some liquid latex around the edges. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay the colors out on the sponge. My nails right now are a little bit shorter than the long side of the sponge, so that's the edge that I'm going to use. I removed the latex on the final layer of the gradient, and then I did some cleanup, and now I'm going to add a layer of Sonic before I add the dots. I've got my usual small lid, and I'm going to be working one color at a time for the Reciprocal Dotticure, starting at the cuticle. Once I finish the dots, I let them set just long enough so that they hopefully won't smear, and now I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat. As usual, I'm using Sèche-Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm in love with how this turned out. We played around with a few other ideas during the testing phase, including more than one line of dots and a couple different toppers that I considered, but I think sticking with just one line and then Sonic to bring everything together with even more blue were both the right calls. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.